Sumuko ang puso ko sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba. Pag nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma. Ngayong nandyan ka na, di magmamadali.
Nagkaalala kami ni Frank before when I was second year high school. Or hindi, first year high school kami. And nasa same organization kami, which is yung Boy Scout and yung Girl Scout. So, I was first year and second year naman din siya.
Something beautiful. As far as our feet can take
high school pa. Bale, siya yung first girlfriend ko and ako yung first boyfriend niya.
We'll paint the open sky, illuminate the night. You and I, right where we belong.
We know each other since high school. So, tawag pa natin nun si Mine. And I love you with all my heart. Mine. And that love will never change until the last breath. Hindi mo ba hanggang kahit anong mangyari, anong imposible natin, kahit madalas si actor ang nag-control sa emotions mo para ma-discuss. I love you, I love you, and you are the only one since day one. Love you, Sir Rob.
Walang dull moment sa kanya kasi sobrang daldal niyang tao. Sobrang kulit na mabubwisit ka na lang kapag nandyan siya. Then at the same time, kapag kunyari may mga events sa schools, ayan, parati siyang dikit ng dikit kasi nga, ewan ko, parating gustong either siguro mang-asar lang or kasama kami. I'm not sure. So, basically, high school pa lang, doon kami nag-start na dalawa.
As far as our feet can take us, heaven knows the world that we will find. We'll paint the open sky, illuminate the night. You and I, right where we
Mahal, I'll do my best to be a good wife, best friend, your all-time kamarites, and honor you for the rest of my life. Together, we will grow in unity. Together, we will fulfill our dreams. and help you become the person that God wants you to be. Now, I promise to stand by your side to support, cherish you in all seasons of our life.
In the quiet and in the storm, every rise and every fall, any door that we walk through, I will never.
For our future, enjoy muna natin ang isa't isa, no? So, I want to travel. Sana kumuha ka na ng passport. Kasi, out of the country naman tayo. And siguro lang inaantay ko magkaroon ng passport, no? So, ayun lang. Enjoy muna. Siguro, yung isang dosen ng baby natin, siguro after pa yun. Mga after 7 years na or 5 years na. Isang dosena agad. Isang irihan lang para sabay-sabay. Yun lang. Yan. Love you, mine.
I vow to be your confidant, your partner in adventure, and your comfort. And I promise to love you unconditionally and to always strive to be the best version of myself for you. I look forward to a lifetime of laughter, love, and growing old together.